Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0xc0020036 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution will be to check the internet speed. Open fast.com and hit enter and check the internet speed here. Is it good enough? If yes, then move to the next solution, which is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab and then scroll down and select troubleshoot. Go to other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. The next solution will be to reset Windows Update components. Now we have a script for this. All you need to do is copy the script. I have shared it in the description section of the video. Search for command prompt and click on run as administrator. Paste the script here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.